Welcome, today I'm with AirPods 3 and I'll show you how you can turn on or turn off the spatial audio. So at first, of course, we have to be connected with our iPhone, that's very obvious, and we have to input one of the earpods to the ear, and that's what I'm going to do right now. As you can see, we are connected. So then you have to be sure that the connection is really on the AirPods. So if it stay on the iPhone, you have to switch the AirPods like that, and then you have to click and hold on the volume adjustment, and then tap on the spatial audio. Oh, let's make it one more time. Sorry guys, I have to put the second one also. That's my bad. So we have to put both to the ear, play the music, and then we are able to turn it on. So click on the icon, and then we can go for the fixed or head tracked. And right now, when I turn my head to the left or right, it will blow my mind. So you know what I'm talking about. That's about all of this, about this feature that works great with the AirPods 3 and also with the AirPods Pro. And basically, yeah, so that's how you can turn on this spatial audio in the AirPods 3. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.